Well, that's not the reason why you're... Here we go. Okay, so I'm Kathy Elliott, an independent Norwex sales consultant, and I have something to show you. Well, you got a little glimpse of it there. It's the whiteboard. So I was doing some things about trying to become a little more organized, and so I want to show you something real quick. So I have this whiteboard, this really old whiteboard here, and at first I was, the dry erase marker eraser is not going to take off the marker, and then I put a little ink stamp cleaner on there, and that sort of did it. And then I added some cleaning paste, just a little bit. I just rubbed this wet Enviro cloth, which is, I think, one of the cloths I got in 2010 or 2011, so it's really old. And look at that. It's cleaning it. Wow. I was just like, oh, I really want to use this old whiteboard for something to help with some organization. And just look at that, everybody. I mean, now I'm going to try a spot here without the cleaning paste. I'm just going to show you. It really wasn't taking it off. You see that? No cleaning paste. But the spot where I have just a little bit. And oh my gosh. It's like magic. Oh, I'm so excited to be able to reuse this really old whiteboard. Isn't this just so cool? This is just so cool. Spectacular. I'm amazed. That's how awesome Norwex is. Look at that. Now I get to use it. Okay, we're going to test it. Ready? I had nothing to lose here. Oh, I got to get the lid off. Okay. Lid off the marker. Now we're going to hope the marker's not so old it doesn't work. Look at, oh, it works. It's drawing on here just fine. Oops. I don't know if you saw that. Here it is. Oh, look. That's because I had that ink and stuff on there. So now I'm just going to clean that back off. How cool. Oh, this marker is a little old. So, anyway, hello, Elizabeth Jean Duncan. Oh, I know who that is. Hi. I kind of forgot that I didn't have this switched off to just me as a practice video. Anyway, yay, wasn't that cool? Okay, I dried the board off a little bit. I'm going to try it again. Oh, come on, camera, turn around. Here we go. Oh, I need to probably go get a new marker. Since this marker is as old as the board that it was sitting with. But there it goes. It's going to work there. Norwex to the rescue. Yep. You can't have a dry erase marker forever. They do dry out eventually. Hi, Jenny. This is so fun. Okay, well, that's my magic trick for the day is a wet Enviro with some cleaning paste on it to clean a really old whiteboard so you can use it again. You just have to have a newer marker than what I have. Thanks for tuning in.